Begin by launching the PowerPoint application on your computer. Ensure that the program is fully loaded and visible on your screen so you can work without interruption. Once the application has been successfully opened, locate the presentation file you wish to work on and open it. This presentation serves as the canvas where you will later add your animated image, providing visual interest and engaging your audience. After opening your desired presentation, navigate to the slide where you want your animated image to appear. It is important that you work on the correct slide to avoid having to rearrange your content later. When you have the intended slide open, focus your attention on the text area that you plan to use. Click on the specific text box within the slide where you would like your animated image to enhance your content. This text box serves as the anchor for your animated image, making it easier for you to align and position the graphic as needed. With your cursor actively placed in the text box, you are ready to invoke a special shortcut to access a unique menu feature. Press the key combination that includes the Windows key and the dot key simultaneously. This action triggers a hidden feature within your computer's operating system that is specifically designed to add emojis and animated images swiftly. Be sure to hit both keys at the same time in order to have the system register the command correctly. Once you press this key combination, a dialog box will appear on your screen. This dialog box offers a collection of various graphical selections, including emojis, symbols, and in this case, animated images. Take a brief moment to familiarize yourself with the interface of the dialog box. It is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, displaying your options in a clear grid format. Within the dialog box, locate the animated images section and scan through the available options until you find the animated image or GIF that best suits your presentation's theme and message. This step allows you the flexibility to choose from a diverse library of visuals in order to match the tone and style of your content perfectly. Once you have identified the animated image that you desire to insert, select it. This simple selection confirms your choice and places the chosen image into the designated text box on your slide. Following this process, review your slide to ensure that the animated image has been inserted correctly and appears in the intended area of your presentation. Adjust the positioning or size if needed so that the overall layout remains balanced and visually appealing. By following these clear and straightforward steps, you now have successfully enhanced your PowerPoint presentation with an animated image, adding an extra layer of professionalism and engagement to your overall visual narrative.